Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. But here we are. It's the weekend for the 7th of December. Obviously Pearl Harbor Day in remembrance of that. But we got a ton of things. I'm not going to go down the list this week. We have so many things on the list. I read it off last week. Go to the website, take a peek at the calendar, and there's a lot of things. It doesn't matter where you are in the state, whether you're in Jacksonville, up in Gainesville, Villages area, Ocala area, if you're up in Tallahassee, in the Tampa area, St. Pete, Clearwater, down here to Fort Myers. A lot of us are going to head out. I think there's 30 some of us plus heading out to Sebring. So here we are. We got the trailer here, getting ready to load it up, and we're all heading out that way. So it should be a good thing. Watch for the videos next weekend. We'll have a bunch of stuff from the track, and I'm sure from the other events that will get posted out there. And as we do this, and then we sort of put it down and head into the holidays. There's still things leading up to the holidays, other cars and coffees locally, and we'll knock those out. If you're seeing this tonight, it should be Friday night when you see this. There is no cars and coffee that I'm aware of in Sarasota at BMW Sarasota, because all those guys are heading out to Sebring. So if you see this and you still want to go, give me a quick shout. I think we could work it out, and then listen, we'll have a lot of fun. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.